So making this video so you guys can see how to navigate Google Classroom. So what you're looking at now is the home screen. Now this is the teacher side of things, so it might look a little different for you guys. This little arrow is real funky. When you first pull it up, it looks like nothing's there. You click this little arrow and you can see all of our emails. It's pretty well hidden, unfortunately. But here's some general info when we plan to have office hours. That just means we'll be logged in and online. This doesn't apply to days off for holidays like spring break, let's say. Here's the code if you ever need it. And the stream is really confusing people because when you pull up Google Classroom, you see that stream, but you don't see the assignments, right? So what you have to do is not get stuck on the stream. The stream is just where announcements are. And we're going to try to clean that up for you guys so it's a little less confusing, let's say. This meeting code information, for instance, is going to be confusing because this meeting code doesn't work anymore. So if we have any updates or changes to that, you would pay attention to the stream. But we'll be posting an updated one. The classwork page is where you really need to get your information from, and it's specific to teachers. So if you look on the left-hand side, you got Belizzi, Bussing, Furdock, Heath. So if you were in my class, you would go to Heath. My stuff is here. If you were in Miss Furdock's class, you would go to Furdock's work. Her stuff is right there. Belizzi, and so on. If you just click classwork again, it'll take you right back to the classwork main screen, which has everything on it. So just important to make note of these things as you go through, because it's been confusing for some. Please email one of us. Here's our emails right here if you have any questions. And if you have a hard time seeing any of this stuff, and you have more questions, then you need to log into a Google Meet. And in order to do that, you need to get into the U.S. government Google Classroom. So if you're still struggling with the code, which if you're in here, you would already have the code, so that's kind of a moot point. But you need to be trying to learn how to use this actively and not giving up right away. It's really these two tabs, stream and classwork. All right. Email us if you have questions.